Welcome back, children. This is the second part of grammar, April 13, okay? So, please go back to your book on page 63. Exercise number 3, it says, write sentences with if. Use a comma where necessary. You need to read the sentences, okay? The first one, it says, there aren't many trees in the area. The air quality is bad. The answer was, if there were more trees in the area, the air quality wouldn't be bad. The second one, letter B. The street is full of litter. People don't use the garbage cans. The answer would be, the streets wouldn't be full of litter if people use the garbage cans. That was logical, right? Okay, letter C. We waste a lot of paper. We don't use both sides. We wouldn't waste a lot of paper if we used both sides. Letter C. The park isn't clean. It isn't fun to play there. If the park was clean, it would be fun to play there. Here, we are using if at the beginning of the sentence. Letter E. We waste our resources. We don't recycle. We wouldn't waste our resources if we recycled. Letter F. We use chemicals on crops. There is a lot of air pollution. If we didn't use chemicals on crops, there wouldn't be a lot of air pollution. Letter G. There are a lot of cars on the road. Exhaust fumes pollute the atmosphere. If there weren't a lot of cars on the road, exhaust fumes wouldn't pollute the atmosphere. Remember, I'm giving you these answers because you are supposed to have already answered these exercises. We are just checking, right? Okay, so please, now you can close your book and go back to the contract, please. Ready? Page number 31. Here I put the structure again, but you already know. We have to use if plus the past simple plus the present conditional, that is would, plus the verb in present simple or in the base form, okay? The instructions are paraphrase these sentences using second conditional. What is paraphrase? Paraphrase is saying exactly the same but using different words, okay? I gave you the first example. It says number 1, I want to buy it. I don't have enough money. So, using the second conditional, it would be, if I had more money, I would buy it. Okay? Number 2, I won't make my bed. I don't have time. Okay, if I want to use if at the beginning, it would be, if I had more time, comma, I would make my bed. Yes, I hope that you understood this exercise. It's easy. Number 3, he won't go to the cinema. He doesn't like films. Using the conditional, if he liked films, comma, he would go to the cinema, period. Please don't forget commas and periods. Number 4, I never do my homework, so my teacher gets mad at me. Okay, if I did my homework, my teacher would not get mad at me. I don't have a car, so I have to take the bus. If I had a car, I would not have to take the bus. Don't forget the commas. Okay? The next exercise, please. What would you do if you were in these situations. Example, you meet a bear in the forest. If I met a bear in the forest, I would run for my life. Okay, so now you have these different situations. You have 10 different situations, okay? I am going to help you with the first 5. So, number 1, you find a fly in your soup. If I found a fly in my soup, I would get sick. You, right? That would be disgusting. Number 2, you see a burglar breaking into your house. If I saw a burglar breaking into my house, I would call the police. What is a burglar? It's a thief. Okay, children? Number 3, you see a mouse in your kitchen. If I saw a mouse in my kitchen, I would scream. Number 4, your car runs out of petrol. If my car ran out of petrol, I would take a taxi. Number 5, you see an accident. If I saw an accident, I would serve as a witness. Okay, so these were the examples, but you are still missing 6. Okay, so I'm going to read them first, think about some answers, and then I will put mine. Okay, number 6, you have a lot of money. Imagine if you have a lot of money. Number 7, you see a bank robbery. Number 8, you meet a famous singer. I want to meet Bruno Mars. Number 9, you see a snake in your bed. Number 10, you find $500 million in the street. Imagine that. Wow. Okay, so I am going to write my own answers. Think about yours, please. And remember, use capital letters, commas, and periods. Okay, if I had a lot of money, comma, okay, I would buy a Ferrari. That's what I would do. Okay, the next one. You see a bank robbery. Oh my God. Well, if I saw a bank robbery, comma, what would I do? I think that I would call the police. I would call the police. Okay, then you meet a famous singer. Oh my God, if I met a famous singer, I think I would ask him for a photograph. Okay. Then you see a snake in your bed. That would be terrible. Terrible, terrible. If I saw a snake in my bed, I would run away, definitely. I'm sorry, no. I would run away. Okay. Ah, and this is awesome. If I found $500 million on the street. I'm sorry, this is on the street. It was not in the street. If you have in, please change it. On the street, I would, this is hard. I think that I would look for his or her owner. Imagine poor guy or woman losing that amount of money. Oh, that would be terrible. So this is the way you should answer this exercise. Please, please, I beg you, don't use my examples. Think about your own answers. What would you do? Okay? I hope that you understood this topic. That is the second conditional. I think it's very easy and you are very smart. So I don't think there's going to be any problem. This is the end of the review of grammar week 3. Tomorrow we are going to be reviewing social studies, so please read the pages that you are supposed to read. Well, you are supposed to have answered everything, and we are just reviewing the contents, right? But if you have some questions or you don't remember very well what you read, okay, read again from page 320 to page 323, okay? And tomorrow we will be reviewing. Yes? Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Well, look, watch my video, please, and do what you have to do. I love you, children, with all my heart. See you. Bye-bye.